Bumper cloud for cliff. Bumper cloud for
Good morning. And right now we're here at CDC para mag-walk. But we're running later. Sorry ha. Ito si Cassie Bells. So, very early kami today kasi para mas maaga kami matapos. Please, Cassie?
Say hello.
Say hello to my vlog.
Sorry, di siya morning person.
Are you a morning person?
No.
Or not? Morning person. Not really, but she's going to the playground later. She's
Why?
gonna play.
Pang-motivate. Sa tawa na yan.
Okay, guys. So, ayan lang. Okay. So, dapat nasa akin yung view kasi ako yung vlogger. Bakit ko kayo binibigyan? Geographer niyo ba ako? Mamaya, edit ko na to kasi magbabagong buhay na ako. Kailangan ko na i-vlog yung buhay. There's a lot of people running. Cassie Bells. Run kayo. Naka-video kayo eh. That's really cute. Guys, hi again guys. Naka 1 kilometer na kami. Not so grabe, pero nice. Doon natin sa vlog. May sakit ka ba?
O, dali na.
Hi Cassie.
Ayan ba yan? Alam mo ba yan? Dali. Ready? Set. Go. Dali.
Gaya mo si Mami. Jamborok. Jamborok. Jamborok ba yun?
Jumbo wingo.
Di ba ano yun? Yung ganun?
Rainbow rock.
Jamborok eh. Jamborok. A day in my life, sobrang OA.
Parang bakla yun.
Your mouth. Pag may nakita ka, keep it to yourself.
Nabit ni.
Pero malamig yung hinabak ko, ba't hindi malamig?